Hey everybody, this is dose 56, day 28. 2 more days and this phase is over with, except another batch, and that'll be the end. I'm right at 200, and this weekend I want to be down to like 198 after the end of the weekend, so we'll see what happens. I'm not going to eat no Christmas dinner. Maybe, hopefully, if everything goes right, I'll be able to go get another car, but we'll see. The auction's on Friday, and I don't see a lot of people bidding on cars on Christmas Eve, except for people like me, crazy people. So that's why it's Jeff's crazy world. But anyway, I'm gonna take dose 56 and get my butt to work, and hopefully it's a quiet night. And we'll see. Probably all hell will break loose. Be busier than crap. I got a lot of stuff to do when I get home, so we'll see. Can I get 4 more out of here? I don't know. We shall see. But this is dose 56. And so there's 4 more to go. And then this is done. Mix another batch, and then it'll be the last batch. Then I'll be done with my diet journey. So get this taken. Alright. So I will see you all in the morning for the weigh-in.